I'm gonna give you guys the top 5 things that you need to make your business successful in terms of operations as a short-term rental investor. Number 1, you're gonna need a good property management software. It's crucial to everything, to sync calendar, pricing, etc. Number 2 is your dynamic pricing software. Make sure you're using dynamic pricing. Quick tip, stay away from Airbnb's dynamic pricing, go with someone like Price Labs. Number 3, you're gonna wanna use high-speed internet. Not only is it crucial to your guests and it's part of daily living now, it's crucial to make sure that all your systems connect properly through Wi-Fi and you can manage remotely. Number 4, you have to have a good listing, and it starts with professional photos. It's crucial to stand out nowadays, especially with the way the market is going, and having bright, beautiful, nice wide angle photos that highlights the space is very, very crucial to your listing and your operations. And number 5, it's the most important, and it is a great cleaning team. Have a good cleaner, good staff. They're your first eyes in the unit after a guest checks out. They're the first people that are gonna report any damages, and they're the people that are gonna maintain your place so that it always looks good every single turn. So hopefully it was helpful. Follow for more if you like it. I love you all.